Hello everyone. Are you ready to find words that begin with the letter R? Remember, the letter R makes the sound er. Let's go under the sea and take a look. Oh, what's this? It's a rabbit. Does rabbit begin with R? Rabbit. Rabbit. Yes, it does. Here comes another word. What's this? It's a jelly. Does jelly begin with R? Jelly. Jelly. No, it doesn't. Bye-bye. Hello, here's another. What's this one? It's a rainbow. Does rainbow begin with R? Rainbow. Rainbow. Yes, it does. What's next? It's a fox. Does fox begin with R? Fox. Fox. No, it doesn't. Bye-bye. And here comes the last word. What is it? It's a robot. Does robot begin with R? Robot. Robot. Yes, it does. Fantastic. Good job, everyone. Today we found a rabbit, rainbow, and robot. And they all start with the letter R. See you next time under the sea at Play English School. Bye!